Yoshi's just going at it. Aren't you, buddy? Let me turn this for you. Oh, sorry. It's all yours. Bon appetit. So I just got him like 2 weeks ago, and he's finally starting to open up to me. I wouldn't say bond yet. He doesn't get too excited when when I come in the door. He's not like, completely bonded where he's just like super excited to see her every time. But he is opening up. It's been 2 weeks. He's about 2 months old. I got him when he was like, maybe he's a little older than 2 months, because I got him, he was like 1 month and 3 weeks, I think. Almost 2 months. Almost 2 weeks. And he's doing good. Got used to the place, and he's eating. Very good appetite. He eats like 4 or 5 times a day. I swear, he's always in that freaking... He's always in his cage. And he's always eating shit. Oh, there goes the millet. Dropped on the floor. I have to vacuum. You gotta get your millet, buddy. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Good boy.